sentences yesterday doing that sentence challenge, putting all those just sounds in. So let's have a go at our flash sounds, our last game of this week. So let's do phase 5 ones. Okay. Let's have a black car. Off we go. A, remember those split diagraphs? That's right. We got another one. O. E. O. I. Keep going. A. U. That's it. I. O. Ow. W. You're doing brilliant on all these sounds now. O. U. That's it. Oi. U. E. F. Excellent, we did it, and that was in 45 seconds. Excellent. Let's do our tricky tricks, and I'm gonna do, let's have a look which ones I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna pick some. So ones that we find tricky. I'm gonna go for this one again, and let's go for this one. Are we ready? Let's go for a dark background. Let's have a city. Let's have a red car. Why not? Off we go. Mr. That's right, Mr. People. There. Like. Out. Should. Do. Have. What? Looked. Well done, guys. Asked. Could. Said. Keep going, you're doing brilliant. Little. Would. Were. Called. Oh. There. Some. One. Come. Brilliant, keep going. So. When. Mrs. Excellent. Well done, guys. Right, let's move over to our last sound this week. And it's one of those funny ones again. It's a yeah, we know it's a yeah, but today it's an E sound. Now we already know an E sound. We know a as in cup of tea, and we know an E sound as in I can see. So this is a yeah that ends in a E sound. So let's have a look. You might recognise some of these words in your storybook. So let's have a little look at them. Crunch. E. Crunchy. That's right. Crunchy. Now I know lots of you like these. Lolly. That's it. A lolly. Let's have a look. Can you go that one yourself? P-N-E, penny. That's right. I found a penny on the floor. Now stinky feet and stinky socks. Smelly, smelly poo. I know JJ's nappy can get very smelly. Carry, carry. That's right. Carry. Hairy. The gorilla was very hairy. Hairy. Funny. That's right. Funny. Oh, it's nice to have a good laugh. The clown was very funny. There we go. My favourite word. Very, very funny. Right, so let's see. I think we use very today. So let's read our words and see how quick we can read them. So let's do my turn, your turn. We've got penny. That's right. Lolly. Crunchy. Smelly. Funny. Hairy. Carry. And very. Ooh, now, what sentence could I write today? Ooh, now, I'm going to use very smelly. Ooh. Oh, let's have a very hairy, smelly. What can it be? Maybe it's an animal. Maybe it's a person. Oh, we could find. I think I'm going to have. All right, what about me? So JJ had a very smelly, and the word nappy is a yes sound as well. JJ had a very smelly nappy. Let's change it to, we can change that one. Ooh. What about another one? What about very funny? You could say, my mummy is very funny. Yeah? Or you could have, oh, don't forget my full stop. My lolly is very crunchy. So I'll let you choose a word. Again, shall we see how many words you can use in a sentence? Try and see if you can use 2 of these words in one sentence. So off you go. Write a super sentence using 2 of these words. Off you go. Did you write a super sentence using 2 of my words? I bet they are absolutely fantastic. Right, to finish off your last phonics remote learning lesson, it's your choice on phonics play. So have a little go, guys. It's totally up to you. Whoops, I've lost my phonics play. So on phase 5, it's your choice. It's Free Friday, so have a little go. Choose a game that you might not have played before. Okay, it's up to you, and have a lovely weekend. And I cannot wait to see you all with big smiling faces next Monday. Okay, take care, everybody.